Hey everybody, JK90 here again. Today we're going to be checking out another standard US MRE. Today we're going to be getting menu number 3, chicken noodles and vegetables and sauce. Let's see what this one's all about. Hopefully it's as tasty as the other ones I've tried. I'm actually been rather impressed to start this whole thing out. It's another individually wrapped, or not individually wrapped, but double wrapped, I guess, thing here. Chicken and noodles. I can feel some chunks of chicken in there, so it's a good sign already that we've got quite a bit of chunks in there. There's all your information. Accessory packet. Nut raisin mix with pan-coated chocolate discs. So I'm sure that's pretty tasty. We'll bust into that here in a few minutes to check it out. TFF fudge brownie. I'm fairly certain that means trans fat free. Yes, trans fat 0 grams. So that's a brownie, I guess. Cheese spread, just your standard cheese spread there. Crackers. Ooh, here we go. Carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder. This is the lemon lime one. That one will be more like a Gatorade. Trusty MRE spoon. Oh, we got a different hot sauce this time. Bouillards? This is one I'm not familiar with. I'm sure it's good. Flameless ration heater. Hot beverage bag. So let's get this stuff heating up and see how good it is. Alright, so like normal, we have our flameless ration heater. Alright, let's get the rest of this on the tray. Alright, let's check out this accessory packet. Looks like there's nothing out of the ordinary in here. Sugar. Just gonna go with that coffee. Salt. Moist towelette. Matches. Coffee instant type 3. Creamer non-dairy dry. Toilet tissue. And that gum I keep forgetting to try. So I'm definitely gonna try to remember to try this time. Get another cup for this coffee. And might as well get these drinks going while the entrees are heating up. This smells nothing like Gatorade. That smells slightly like Gatorade, but it smells really awful, to be honest. Hopefully it doesn't taste as awful as it smells. Alright, 12 ounces of water. Actually, this coffee is no different than any of the other ones. I don't usually drink it all, so instead of wasting it, I think I'm going to save this for somebody who really wants to try an MRE coffee. I'm sure somebody wants to, so I'm going to save that coffee this time around. And go ahead and start busting into the rest of this stuff here. So let's check out these crackers. Ooh, hopefully that hiss got picked up in the microphone. It's always a good sign that they're nice and fresh. They were packed on the 234th day of 2014, kind of later in the year. It does look like unsalted saltines that, you know, if they were to be broken up into quarters here, got 8 crackers. So that's nice. The cheese spread's normal, we'll end up putting that on there, most likely. There's this nut raisin mix. Get a look in there. Smells like nuts mostly. Oh, got some M&Ms in it. I guess that's the pan-coated chocolate discs they were referring to. So, looks like you've got a few different types of nuts, raisins, M&Ms. That'll be nice. Check out this trans fat-free fudge brownie. It doesn't look fantastic. It has this weird thing on the top of it and on the bottom of it, like maybe it got oxidized a little bit. I don't know. It still looks decent on the inside. It's, we'll get into that dessert. Let's make sure this entree's still cooking over here. I think I might have lost all the water out of it. I wonder if there's a tear in it. Exactly what happened is I lost all the water out of that somehow. Wonder how often these things malfunction, or maybe I just suck at using them. I don't know. I know that I am making a mess on this one, so. Alright, we got water back in there. It's making sounds again, so that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and start checking out this lemon lime carbohydrate drink. It smells a lot more like Gatorade now that I have mixed it up in the water. That's really tasty. That's just lemon lime Gatorade pretty much. Probably not actually Gatorade, but definitely a very close substitute. It's very green though. I don't know if the color is going to come through on the camera. I hope it does. It's so green. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's going good. So let's check out these crackers here. They're seem fresh enough. Yeah. It's just an unsalted cracker. There's nothing special, nothing bad about it. I'm quite sure that this cheese spread will be really nice on there. Even though in some applications this cheese spread doesn't work, I think on a plain cracker with no salt, like where it was meant to go, right? Yeah. Reminds you like a Lunchable or something almost. Definitely something you would get in like a pre-made kids lunch or something. Just check this out. There's definitely 3 or 4 types of nuts there. A couple raisins. Well, M&Ms are these actual M&Ms. They don't have the M's on them, but Let's be real, those are M&Ms. Well, let's check it out. Yeah. I mean, that's exactly what it says it is. It's nut, raisin, and chocolate mix. A little trail mix. It's a really nice snack to have. You know, just kind of in between, like a little starter. Or maybe something you could actually carry that pouch around later and just munch on it. Definitely a trail treat. This brownie is really intriguing me. I'm not sure how I feel about its initial appearance here. It smells like the vaguest chocolate ever, if that makes any sense. Like it smells like chocolate, but only slightly. It almost smells like nothing. Like I have to really seek out that chocolate. So let's see what the taste is like. I know it's not, the look isn't very great. It's really weird. It's very dry. The consistency is off. It's not fudgy, it's not cakey, it's, God, I don't even know, it's almost like a mini muffin or something like that, but denser. It's very, very weird. It's not enjoyable at all. I saw brownie and I kind of got excited. That's not what I was hoping for at all. I guess trans fats are necessary for a fantastic brownie, because a trans fat-free brownie is not working. All it's doing is making me insanely thirsty. Oof. All right, this entree is almost done. We'll have that up and running, ready to eat momentarily. Yeah, let me go ahead and try this gum while that entree is going, so I don't forget this time. I did the cinnamon once. This is, I guess, just regular mint. That would be perfect to get that brownie taste out of my mouth. It's still just, you know, your standard piece of gum. It probably is going to taste like whatever it's supposed to taste like for 15 to 20 seconds and then be nothing. So that's like I would say that's peppermint. It's a really strong peppermint gum. It's got that weirdness to it that the last gum did, where you're not even sure what's so different between this and regular gum, but there's definitely something about this gum. Either something that's in normal store gum that's not in this, or something that's in this that's not in normal store gum. I don't know which of those it is, but it's definitely different. Its flavor's gone already again. So it's no different than the cinnamon, other than the fact that it's peppermint, not cinnamon. So nothing special really. This one's kind of lacking all around. Like, it's got the fake cheese and the bland crackers. That nut mix is going to be good. That brownie's awful, and the gum is nothing to write home about. So hopefully that chicken noodles and vegetables and sauce is spectacular. And I don't know, I think this is done working now. Alright, so the entree is out. It's nice and hot. Mixed it up nice and well here. Pop that open and it, wow, it's not what I was thinking when I looked at this. I was thinking more like a chicken noodle soup almost, but that's not at all what this is. Huh. There's big fat noodles in there, big chunks of chicken. Chicken tastes decent. I'm not really sure. I see peas and carrots and I guess it's pepper, bell pepper or something like that. First impressions, it's nothing special. It's chicken and vegetables and noodles and some very plain sauce. It's hard to tell what the sauce is supposed to be, but I will tell you that seems like a perfect application for this hot sauce. Again, if I can get into this hot sauce. There we go. Well, it's not the color I thought it would be. There's probably a little salt in this too. It's extremely bland. It's like bland pot pie filling, but not even as satisfying as pot pie filling. All right. Mix all this up, see if that did anything for it here. So far, this is at the bottom of the list, but maybe this hot sauce and salt will revive it. And newsflash, it did not. It helped it a little bit, but this is by far the weakest of all the MREs I've tried. Whoever pulls Menu 3, chicken, noodles, and vegetables and sauce, is gonna have a disappointing meal. Overall, I don't know. That's my opinion. I'm sure somebody likes this. Somebody had to have passed off on it and said it was decent, right? I mean, otherwise, they wouldn't have put it out. You'd think that they would take advice from people before giving these out. But it is our government we're talking about here. I can't begin to think why they do anything they do. So, yeah, this one, I would not call this one a winner. I wouldn't call it a loser. It still would fill you up. If I had to, I would eat this, but I don't have to, so I'm not going to. But yeah, it's not the worst thing I've ever eaten, but it's definitely nowhere near the top MREs. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.